We're on a windy Kinder Scout today, very windy one, and it's only supposed to be getting windier. But it's beautiful up here. Got the heather's starting to change colour as well, which is gorgeous. So the idea for today is we're going to head over towards Kinder Downfall. So I'm going to show you on the map the route, and then we're going to get going. I'll have to get somewhere nice and quiet so you can see the route on the map, otherwise you'll not hear what I'm saying. Right, so I'll go and find a spot, and like I say, then we'll get going. Right, hopefully you can hear me, and hopefully it's in shot. Right, so we've got our usual grass point here. So we set off this morning from Edale station, and we headed up into Edale itself, which is about there. Then we took the Pennine Way. We initially go on the Pennine Way here for a little bit, flirted off left onto that, and then we made our way up onto Grindslow. From the top of Grindslow, the idea now is to head onto this track over here, and we're currently sat here at the moment. So this track here comes from the South Rim, and it also comes from Grindsbrook. So we're going to join that track, and then we're going to make our way all the way along past Crowden Tower, past the Woolpacks, Pym Chair, and we're going to come all the way down towards Edale Rocks, which is about there. Hopefully you can still see it on the phone. And then from Edale Rocks we're going to head north past Kinder Low, all the way up to Kinder Downfall. There, Waterfall. We're going to have a look at that. So that's the route. From there I'll probably come back the same way, or I might make a bit of a shortcut straight across the plateau down to the footpath again. Obviously I'll take a bearing from that on my compass. Alright, so that's the route, so we're going to get going. So I will see you in a moment. See you in a bit. Right, so this is Crowden Tower. We've arrived here. You get a great view from the top of Crowden Tower. So we'll get up there and have a bit of a butcher's, see what it's like. Okay, wow, it's well windy. Hopefully you can still hear me all right. Let's get up on here. It's the highest rock. So there you go, there's your view. Apologies for the wind noise. And that over there is the direction we're going. Right, now camera's nearly getting blown out of my hands. Right, let's get down. Let's head off that way. We're heading up towards the Woolpacks now, which is like a load of gritstone boulders that have been weathered by rain and wind over thousands of years and basically moulded into some right weird shapes. So we'll have a look at them now in a moment. So this is the Woolpack area. Like I say, it's a load of gritstone boulders that have become the way they are through erosion by the wind and the rain over thousands of years. So that's on the way up towards the Kinder Downfall along the South Rim. Hopefully you can pick that up in the camera. So the path leads you all the way through them and you just wind your way in and out of them. And then hopefully get back on the path again. You can't really go wrong in this area anyhow, because you just keep the edge of Kinder to your left hand side. Just follow your nose basically. So there you go. That's the Woolpacks. So let's have a wander through there and hopefully not get lost. So out of all of rock formations here at the Woolpacks, and there's plenty, this has got to be my favourite one. Always reminds me of one of them sculptures that you find on Easter Island in the South Pacific. Yeah, looks fantastic. Always, to me it looks like a bloke's head, the side of a bloke's head. You know, you've got his big forehead and his eyes set back, a bit of a chin at the bottom there. I always spend a bit of time looking at this every time I come up. Right, let's crack on anyhow. So we're currently walking past Pym Chair at the moment, which is quite a rock formation, isn't it? Yeah, be a good one to climb. Well, maybe not today, a little bit too windy, and plus I haven't got my rock shoes with me now. But a lot of people stop here and have the picnic. But we've got to carry on anyhow, so better get a move on. We've got Edale rocks here, just on my left shoulder. I couldn't film it from the other side because the sun's in the wrong direction, it would have just been silhouetted. So we've turned right now from the south rim and we're heading north, heading up towards Kinder Low and Kinder Downfall. So we should be there not too long now, but yeah, it's a beautiful evening, absolutely beautiful. Wind's just dying down a little bit. Let's just hope it stays like that, but it is forecast to pick up definitely tomorrow. Right, let's go over to Kinder Low. Hey! So, Kinder Low, we've made it. Now a lot of people seem to think that this is the summit of Kinder. It's not. Kinder's got like, well, how can I say, it's got 3 summits. People think this is it, like I say, it's not. And then people think a pile of rocks in the northeast direction over here across the moorland, it's like a pile of rocks with a stick sticking out of it. They think that's the summit. Technically that's not. Just a little bit further on, there's like a tuft of grass, high tuft of grass. That is the official summit of Kinder. And Kinder tops out at 636 metres above sea level. And it's you get a great view on a day like today. Right, let's carry on now over to Kinder Downfall. So we've arrived at Kinder Downfall. There it is. Hopefully you can see that in this light. It's just to the right of the middle of the frame. Yeah, it's beautiful. Quite a lot of water coming off it today. Sometimes when the wind's blowing straight on in a westerly, and if it's very, very strong wind, actually the water will blow upwards and back on the rock. It's like an upside down waterfall. But today, it's a southerly wind, so it's quite sheltered down there. Yeah. It'd be beautiful now to stand underneath that. Proper shower on you. Proper cooling shower. Right, we'll wander down and have a bit of a look at it, a bit closer. and then start heading back. Starting to get on now. Then probably head back down Jacob's Ladder. It's the quickest way back to Edale. So we'll go and have a look at it, and I'll get back to you in a minute. Okay, so Kinder Downfall is just to the bottom right corner of the shot there. I'll use my dodgy finger just there. So the sun's just glinting on it, so hopefully you can make that out. Now out in the distance, hopefully you can see at the top of the frame, you've got Kinder Reservoir. That's where obviously all this water drains down to. And then from there it runs down the River Kinder just a short way, and then I think it joins the River Set. Might be wrong with that, but that's what I think it is anyhow. Just below Kinder Reservoir, I don't know if you can see it, I'll try and stick my dodgy finger in the shot. Hold on a moment. Just at the tip of my finger there at the top. Okay, hopefully it'll focus again. Yep, there we go. That little bit of water is called Mermaids Pool. So it's just like a very, very small tarn. Very, very small one. Actually, some of the water's starting to blow up from the waterfall. I don't know if you can pick that out. I might have to move shot to show you. In fact, I'll do that now. Hold on a minute. Right, we're a little bit closer this time. Don't know if you can notice, don't know if the camera can pick it up, but some of the spray's been blown up. Probably quite hard for you to see on the screen. I haven't got a polarizer to cut the glare down on the rock edge, so that's as good as it's going to get, I'm afraid. Okay, hopefully you can still hear me on the phone above the wind. So as you can see, the sun's starting to go down now, so I'm going to start heading back across the edge here down towards Jacob's Ladder and back down to the station. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, give it a thumbs up if you would please. I'm much grateful for that. And if you really liked it, just hit that subscribe button. Right, I'm going to get going, and I'll catch you again very soon, hopefully. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you later. Jacob's Ladder done. That's the old Packhorse Bridge. And it should be easier going now. I have got an hour and 15 minutes to get the train. So we better get a move on. Okay, let's go. Look at all this lot. All seem to be queuing up for something. Yeah, that's right, I'm the last walker on the hill. Oh, coming down from the hill. See you later. Oh dear. Thanks for watching, everybody. Catch you again soon.